Start out with a little something different today. Take a bit of a stroll through one of the really nice neighborhoods here in Makati, the San Lorenzo Village. A lot of high-end houses, high-end cars. Let's check this one out. Some of the houses here are just huge. Really nice. This is the San Lorenzo Village in Makati. Reminds me a lot of like a Miami subdivision. It's probably one of the nicest ones here. Some of the houses are much older, but some of them are brand new. Really nice neighborhood. Tons of high-end vehicles. Reminds me a lot of like a Miami neighborhood subdivision. It's all very well manicured, all gated parking. This one's really nice. Big top roof deck, all very modern, gated parking, and a little side porch here, which is really nice. Got a grill out here and everything. You hear a lot of stories about the Philippines, the term third world, even though that's an outdated term. That was a term coined during the Cold War, I think. And now if you Google it on whatever internet nonsense, you'll find that they use a term like emerging nation, because what they look at is the GDP, the gross domestic product of the country, to determine the economic status of the country. But I mean, here it looks like this place is a first world heaven, like literally, like I was saying, a Miami subdivision. And yeah, I mean, there's a lot of money in the Philippines, but if you look at the daily average living, the lives of the people here, the quality of most of the homes, I don't know, if you had 1 million homes and you took 900,000 of them, 900,000 of them would be not in great shape. And 400,000 of them would be, I don't know, squatter shacks, like, or one level up. I'm not trying to diss. Don't get me wrong, the Philippines is amazing. I lived here for years. Even where I live, nice little neighborhood. There's some areas that look pretty run down in there, you know. So my point in saying this is that yes, this is the Philippines. You can come to the Philippines. You can live in BGC. It is fantastic. It is amazing. It is, you know, beautiful, brand new modern city. You can live in a subdivision like this and be completely insulated from the madness. More on that later. My buddy's house is right here. The gate to exit is right here, but they won't let me out it because I came in another gate. So now I have to walk like 4 blocks to get to the other gate, and then around the entire subdivision, which is like yet another 4 or 5 blocks to get to where I need to go, which is like right there. I could probably throw a baseball there right now. That's how close it is. So it's that, what I call third world bureaucracy, that is what a lot of people find maddening here. And I think that's why a lot of people wash out, besides making bad decisions and bad spending decisions and maybe living above their means or just getting burnt. Yeah. All right, now on another note, why is the Philippines so wonderful? It's the people of the Philippines. Just like seconds after I split from the gate, they wouldn't let me get out of, because I was kind of giving them a hard time. I'm like, come on, bro. Another guard like whizzes up on the motorcycle and he's like, what's up? Where you going? Where you at? And I'm like, well, I tried to go out this gate. And I'm like, hey, give me a ride. He's like, okay, sir. Like, so he gave me a ride to the other gate. It's always a mix. It's always a mix. You got to say and understand things are not going to go according to plan But that might be part of the ultimate plan, because challenges and solving challenges are kind of what give your life purpose. And then a trick is to create better challenges for yourself. But the bottom line also being is you're going to get hung up. Stuff's going to mess up. And sometimes finding the solutions leads you to better solutions. Like, I could tell you so many stories. All right, guys, it's the fun roof. Yeah, Manila's newest sensation, miniature golf. I don't know, is this Filipino whack-a-mole? Oh no, it's like some kind of pinball game. Drunken pinball. Yeah, baby. Yeah. I'm at the fun roof. It's a pretty big, nicely air-conditioned inside bar with a DJ that also includes a bunch of these private party rooms for special events, like the one we were here for tonight. Outside is a roof deck with a pretty nice view of Poblacion, Makati, and Rockwell. There's a bunch of carnival-style games to play, and the entry ticket, which runs about 1,000 pesos, gets you multiple plays on all of these games. I don't know if it includes any consumable beverages, but I did see that a lot of the games do include shots or drinks as prizes if you win. It's fun roof. It's actually pretty fun. Since they host parties and events here, they have a pretty decent food menu, and I'll tell you, the food is pretty good. The games were pretty fun. We went on a weekend and I would say it was kind of crowded, but there really wasn't much of a wait to get into any of the games. You can kind of just get on a sign-up list and they'll come find you when it's your turn. If you're expecting an actual pitch out of this bad boy, it's going to be a disappointment. You're going to be swinging at your ankles. So we're playing miniature golf tonight, and when the kuya hands me the putting stick, whatever it's called, the club, he's like, be careful. I'm like, yeah, it's miniature golf. I'll be careful. I won't be doing any arnis tonight. What does he think I'm going to do? Beat somebody to death with a club? Beanbag chairs, and it's not quite bowling. I forget what they call this. I think they actually do have bowling, shuffleboard, and curling in those lanes. One of the newest spots in Manila, Fun Roof. Is it fun? It's actually kind of fun, but I'm not quite sure if it was fun because I'm half smashed and my bros are here, or because we were playing miniature golf and swinging at the worst pitches imaginable on planet Earth from this batting cage pitch machine. It's worth checking out. Here everyone's thinking shoes were cheap at market, man. Here in the Palenque, it's like giving them away for free. I mean, that is not a bad little sandal for $3.50. You know? As usual, Buccaneers off the chain. Oh yeah. Wow. Baby doll.
Agree.
So in Manila, my name is Where's Nikki? And his name is Where's Nikki? And Nikki 1 and Nikki 2 are friends anywhere we go. Like the girl just walked up. She like rolls right up to him. He's like, where's Nikki? He's like, oh yeah, hi, nice to meet you. I'm Where's Nikki? Not hi Moses, not hi Eric. Oh hi, nice to meet you. I'm Where's Nikki? Where's Nikki? I don't know. I think she's home. Yeah. That's how we do it. Oh my God, bros. Yeah. Bros. Like to take a moment to thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up
and consider subscribing to the channel for more coming up from Metro Manila and all over the Philippines.